How to share your Skype profile link. So the very first option is, of course, you have to have the Skype application downloaded on your device. If you don't have it, you may just go to Google Play Store or your App Store and download it on your device, and then make sure you are logged in. After that, open the application. After opening it, this kind of interface appears on your screen. So what you need to do is tap on your profile at the top left. After tapping on it, just scroll a bit and you can see the manage option. Just tap on Skype profile, the very first option under manage. And here you can see the share profile option on the very first. Under your name, just tap on it. After that, here you get 4 ways on how you can share your profile with your friends. So the very first option is copy to clipboard. You may just copy the link and paste it to your text and share it to your friends or those who you want to invite on Skype. And another method we have here is QR code. You just need to tap on this QR code and let other users scan it. After other users scans your profile, the profile link will be available to them and they can join your Skype profile and share your QR code via text. After that, on the third option, we have send as SMS, email, or through another app. Just tap on that option. And here you get a bunch of applications that you may have on your device that you can use in order to share your Skype profile link. Just tap on one of the applications and share your link, and the other person will be able to join to your Skype profile using that link. So therefore, these are the 3 ways on how you can share your Skype profile link very easily. So that's it, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.